back to Earthly Jewels Boutique with another Let's Resin video, and I am making a strawberry jar today. I'm starting off by painting mica powder into the top of the jars, and you can see here that I have the mold flipped over, and I am just painting it and making sure that I get it on the edges or the outer stems of the jar. So I am doing 2 jars today, so I have the 2 tops of the jars. So next, I mixed up my resin already, and I'm adding very red color pigment paste for resin, and I mixed that up there. And I did actually have 2 different colors. So in the back you see that I've already poured one of them. This other one is a more pinkish color. So this one I add like a white sparkly mica powder, and you can see how it changes the color a bit. I do that one for this jar. So I'm gonna pour it in, and I like to do that slowly and make sure that it's all the way to the top of the silicone mold. And here I am pouring it. And I just have enough to fill it up, and I just make sure to scrape everything because you don't want to waste any of the resin. So once that's done, we shall put it aside for curing. These ones cure pretty quickly because they are pretty deep. So I'm just showing the pigment that I use there. It's a Let's Resin brand. So now to pour the tops of it. For the top, I do put some pigment paste, and I use the Let's Resin green. For some reason, you really have to put a lot. It's not, it's very transparent, so you'll see that I start out with a little bit and then add some more later because I was not satisfied with the color. So that's quite a bit of drops. I have about almost 4 ounces of resin. Mix that up. I'd say that was about 5 drops, and you can barely see the color over there, so I decided to add more. It looks like it has a lot of pigment in it, but once it gets in the resin, it's very transparent. So that's the final outcome, and I'm gonna pour it in. You're going to want to make sure that you get it into the edges, and I know for this one I didn't really pay too much attention. I would stick a toothpick in, or like something that fits into the edges of the mold, just to make sure that it's in there. So here I am the next day, 24 hours later, unmolding. It's a little bit difficult to get it around the fat edges, but once you have it out, you just kind of pull it out, and I think it looks really cute how it turned out. I think I should have waited a little bit more to unmold the tops, because the edges were still like squishy and it did not turn out well. I'll have to make another set of lids for these ones, but I think it turned out really cute. I didn't show the unmolding of the other one. here they are. That's the top, and I like the red color a lot. Turned out really cute. The lid just fits perfectly onto it and it doesn't slide off as long as you pour it all the way to the top of the silicone mold. The pink turned out really cute as well. So I will definitely be making more of these. I'm going to try to make a better lid for it. And that's the video for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll come back soon for more resin videos. I have 2 every week, and don't forget to follow and subscribe.